What if I told you Microsoft just added a more powerful AI option inside Copilot? No extra app, no new workflow, it's already where you work. Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills. Microsoft is moving Copilot toward a multi-model experience. That means instead of relying on just one AI, you can choose the model that fits the job. And one of the biggest additions rolling out is Claude. Here's where to find it. Open Microsoft 365 Copilot Agent. Look near the top for the model selector. Click it. Now, one thing to know. Your Microsoft 365 admin has to enable the Anthropic models first before they show up in your Copilot. Claude and GPT don't think the same way. GPT is fast, broad, and great when you need momentum. Claude is more methodical. It structures ideas and works through problems step by step. Think of GPT as your quick, confident employee. Claude is your detail-oriented analyst. Here's a real example. I gave both models the same prompt. Draft a one-page proposal for a client who needs help managing their remote team's Microsoft 365 tools. GPT gave me a solid draft, fast, clean, usable. Claude gave me something different. The response was more structured, the logic was clearer, and it surfaced assumptions that could actually change the proposal. So for quick emails or first drafts, use GPT. For proposals, planning, or anything where clarity and reasoning matter, Claude is often the better choice. And the first place I'd test it is inside the Researcher agent. And ask something that actually requires thinking, like, what are the top 3 reasons small businesses fail at Microsoft 365 adoption, and what's the fix for each? That's where Claude stands out. Instead of just listing ideas, it builds a structured answer. Here's one people don't expect. Claude works inside Excel too. And Excel is actually where a lot of people find Claude most useful. When you open any Excel file in Copilot Agent mode, you'll see that same drop-down. Look right here, you've got Claude Opus 4.5 and Opus 4.6 available. These are Claude's most powerful reasoning models. Now here's a practical example. I've got a simple sales data sheet open. I'm going to ask Claude Opus to take this data and create a new dashboard tab, format it, organized, ready to share with the client. See how it's not just summarizing, it's building. That's the Opus model doing what it does best. Structured, multi-step reasoning applied directly to your spreadsheet data. So you know which tool to use for which job. If you want to take it further, check out my video on building Copilot agents that use your business data. That's the next step. And if this saved you time, subscribe. We post practical Microsoft 365 videos, no fluff, just what actually helps you get more done.